And it's the start of our first game. Officially, this is the third round of your AIM Cup, and it's the first basket coming from the AV Idols. Number 17, Leo Miraran to Brienne. Brienne, corner pass. What a shot! No, rebound. Jada Bay, the man from Ordaneta. Jada Bay, crossover, pull-up jumper. No, rebound. Number 27 with the ball. Brienne. Oh, butterfingers. Puti na recover ni Manong Ginobili. Manong Ginobili, number 22. To Leo. Leo, the knight. Oh, blocked away by the AV Idol. Manong Ginobili! Dalawang piso! Uli! But there is a foul on number 28. Unfortunately, with that great effort, siya pa matawagan ng foul. That's his first personal foul. First team foul for Team Blue. Ram, second shot, no. Rebound secured by Ralph. Ralph, parang accounts receivable yung pagkuha. Ralph to Jada Bay. Roque, the scoring disciple, tries to one.
Oh!
And gets his first.
Plano ah!
Hindi nag-warm up yan, kaya masakit ang likod. Brienne. To Manong Ginobili, clobbered by two men, pero may natawag na travel. Caught dancing to the wrong song.
Eh, plano ka naman eh. Oh?
The Pope with the basketball. The Pope. To the scoring disciple. The Pope to his disciple. Takbong mayaman. Kasi masakit ang likod. Miraran, eyeball to eyeball. Can't handle the ball. Outlet pass to Brienne. Brienne takes a three. No. Rebound. Napupunta sa mga naka-asul. 7 minutes and 40 seconds time remaining in our first quarter. The Pope doing the point guard duties. The Pope hounded by Leo to Roque. Roque starting to get the heat check. Sumilang jumper na debit. The man from the accounting office, FSG. Lipat, drop pass number 23, nasabal ng ring. Fake. Jada Bay. Ang daming naloko sa fake na yon, hindi lang mga kakampi. Jada Bay. To the Pope, the Pope. Ralph, the smallest man, tries to the second serving and a foul. Pagkatapos nito mag-basketball, mag-volleyball pa yan, guys. Sir Ralph, oh! Nabate. 6 minutes and 45 seconds time remaining. And here is Mr. AV Idol, number 2. Number 27 with a float. No. Again, beautiful defense by AV Idol number 1. Abelgas wisely decides to pull it out. Abelgas with a heat check. Too much heat with that ball. Brienne. Brienne lost in translation. Nalipat sa kabila pero na-translate to a basket. 2 points for number 18. 6 minutes and 3 seconds. Aline with his first basket and the first basket of Team Red. 5 minutes and 50 seconds time remaining. The Pope decides to release. The Pope again for the second serving. No, the Pope in the third serving. The Pope hounded by Leo, but there is a violation. Kaya pala sila na naparami ng kain. Marami pang top credits. Number 17. Pivot to number 18. Stolen. Jada Bay. Ito po, 2-on-1. The ball with the lefty layup. Kinapos lang. Okay lang yan, bro. Brienne for 3. No. Ian with an emphatic rebound.
Ano pa naman mo?
Jada Bay. Jada Bay nakatalikod ng depensa. The Pope tries another one. No! Here are the red shirts on the attack. What a drop pass by Manong Ginobili. Ito na po, papasok na ang tropang IT. Eman B and Gardo B. Jada Bay decides for 3. No. Rebound by Brienne. Brienne. Outlet pass to Manong Ginobili. Manong Ginobili nag-same step. Nag-same step. Yugo step. Travel po tayo dyan. Substitution. Battalion substitution. 4 minutes and 10 seconds time remaining in our first quarter. Manong. To Manong Ted. Oh, Tommy couldn't handle the ball. 3 minutes and 58 seconds time remaining. Bola papalik sa mga nakapula. Virgil. To AV Idol number 2 for 2. Ito po, on the counter-attack. Tommy, nice attack and nice dish. Beautiful pass. Hill with his signature pull-up, kaso masyadong naluto yung pull-up. Hindi nakita ang outlet pass. Manong to David F. No, David F. Too much sauce on the spin and shot. 3 minutes and 5 seconds time remaining in our first quarter. Lamang ng apat ang mga naka-asul. Eman B. Surveys to floor. To Aline. Balik kay Eman B pero nabitawan. Kay Rato. Apat laban sa isa. Naghahanap ng kakampi. Balik kay Tommy. Pass to the wing. To KD. Tommy forces his way out inside. But there's a foul. Number 18, Aline, that's his first personal foul. Second team foul for Team Red. Tommy. First shot.
Rebound, box out.
Way off the mark.
Ito, adjustment picture. Nasa kanan yung picture.
Tommy.
Pasok ka, di ba? Diba? Galing mag-adjust ng picture.
Nakalibrate ng ring. Virgil F. Now with the basketball.
Kabila, XC. Huwag yan. Kalawa yung masikip.
Virgil decides to take it upon himself pero natapikan.
Masikip talaga dun.
Walang umoutet. Pero nandito na para sa counter-attack si Manong. The scoring disciple to Rato. Clobbered by 2 red shirts. Wala. Second serving. Wala pa rin. Same ball para sa mga naka-asul. With 1 minute and 45 seconds time remaining and 14 second shot clock.
Huwag niyo pilitin. Drop pass. Screen na lang. Open na.
David.
Huli!
Middle pass to Manong. Drop to Tommy. Pero madulas. Manong with the dipsy-do. No. Rebound by Aline. Outlet pass to AV Idol number 2. AV Idol number 2 ay masyadong nakot. Malakas ang pasa. A minute and 15 seconds remaining in the first quarter. 11-6 ang ating score in favor of blue team. Ball almost tapped away. Number 8 to Virgil. Virgil clobbered on his way up. But there's a foul on Ian.
Jay. Mamaya.
That's his second personal foul, second team foul for Team Blue. Virgil Fariñas. This is unusual for Virgil ang mag-miss ng free throw. Second shot. Pasok yan with the shooter's bounce. Manong with 48 seconds time remaining. Manong pick offered by Ian. Manong decides to drop it to David for the 2 points. 13-7 ang ating score. 35 seconds ang nalalabi sa ating unang kanto. Virgil. Ball almost tapped away. Virgil decides to take one in. Finally gets it. 39. Mukhang last shot na ang gagawin ng mga nakasul. Manong doing the point guard duties. Manong. Asking for a pick. Didn't get it. Now, with a 3 and a foul.